Hey guys, I am here and I am playing Minecraft. I am playing black adjusting this. No, not that. Okay. I'm playing Minecraft PC Edition and I'm playing on a server called Jutex. It is a survival server, obviously. And this is me and my sister's little town. Hey, cheater. Okay, so might as well go retrieve that arrow since it kinda, yeah. So I haven't been uploading as much because I've been struggling to get off the melons. Because I've been struggling to get the right, good recording stuff. Ow, go away. But I found something that works because ow, go away. I am using Splashtop to record this because it works. It's compatible with my phone, and ow, go away. And yeah. So basically this is just an update thing. It's a couple random things, and yeah. Just, I don't know, I'm bored. I don't know what to do on this channel. Go away. Don't die so much. Okay. So well, I guess I could no. Whatever. Automatic farm activate. Thank you. Oh my god, the lag is real. Ow! You wanna go? Come on. Wasted a perfect. Oh, I swear. Fear my fire. Dang it, you made me destroy redstone. Seriously. Made me destroy redstone. Let me get my arrows back. Okay. I just want my arrows back. Mr. Creeper, you can just go away. Need to work on covering up that redstone though. Let's see if we can find some ice. No. But we did find more pigs. Die. Okay. Bam. That was nothing. More pigs. before we do slash wild again. 48 seconds. Are there any more pigs? Piggies. Piggies, come here. I want some pigs. I want pig meats. Just calm down. I said calm down. Ow, I got struck by lightning. Guess you got mad at me. Hey, look, a slime. Go kill it. Ow. Blah, 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 blah. Fear me. Fear me. I'm underwater. Can't do nothing about it. Just need this. Need the slime balls. Ow. Give me your slime balls. Oh, pig died. Give me your slime balls. I can't hit you, come on. Come over here. There we go. Ooh, we might be able to find some here. Oh my god. Still, calm down, Storm. Calm down a little bit. Oh, jeez. Is that any ice? No, there's not. Sadly, there's no ice. Jeez, I'm gonna get struck by lightning again. Do, going around the mobs. Ow. Maybe there's a village nearby. But, let's see. Maybe, I need to start making that mob spawner, but I need some more cobble. Yeah, the comments suggest what I should make on this server. Whether it be a town or a mob spawner or something out of that random category. I don't know. I will make it. Cause we have resources for days, like, not even funny. We have resources to give away. Oh gosh. Also, suggest to me what I should play. I mean, I was gonna play a mod pack that I have, but it didn't work. Hey, don't shoot at me. Oh Jesus. Oh no. 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 I don't want to die. So I won't be able to come back there. Yeah. Rain, rain, go away. Don't you dare do that. Wait. I want you. 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 Saddle. Skeleton horse. Skeleton horse. Ow. Oh no. No. It's happened. I just wanted a skeleton horse. Is that all someone could ask for? Now everybody's gonna die. Just wanted a measly little skeleton horse. Psh. Just wanted some skeleton horse. That's all I wanted. Oh well. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. I have arrows in my foot and my shoulder. Goodbye.